Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is very likely to be a 1, 2, 3, and I still don't even see that the wave 3 is over. I mean, eventually I think it is going to bounce off a Fibonacci level and go down and make a bigger wave 4 and probably back up for a wave 5 just to complete this pattern that started way back here. So keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the weekly time frame. Now, weekly time frame, I've been saying this for a long time, but I mean, it could always be a wave A, it could always be a wave B and go down for a wave C. That would actually be a completely normal looking pattern if that is the case. But I actually am not really convinced of that. I still think there's a very good chance that it is going to go up and take out these previous highs, maybe even go up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels to finish off what I think is a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, even on the daily, I'm definitely still very bullish. I mean, it is for sure still making higher highs, higher lows. We're not making a Fibonacci bounce. We're not really making a lower high. Really, no reason at all to think that this is not going to end up continuing the uptrend. So until these higher time frames, the daily time frame and up, tell me otherwise, I'm definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Kind of looks like we already have an ABC correction in my opinion. So if it does make an impulsive engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long opportunity. I am definitely very bullish until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely does kind of look like a nice correction right here. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave B. I can even make out a little downtrend right here, possibly for the wave C. We do have a Fibonacci bounce. We do have the wave C taking out the lower wave A. So if this does continue to make impulsive movement to the upside, I would for sure take it as a long for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I said, I am definitely primarily looking for longs at the end of every single pullback that I see, at least until the higher time frames like the daily time frame and up tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.